All right, now using the RV Office products are not all that difficult, but I wanted you to be able to navigate through and be able to achieve and accomplish what you're setting out to do. So walk with me as I demonstrate that for you. You remember that you can access the products from the top of your menu, right here, or you can access them by clicking below. Once you arrive on that page, it's broken down in two different sections. The first section is the custom things. So if you're going to order a custom website, or a custom logo or a custom marketing funnel, well, they need a little bit of information so they can actually create this for you. So we're going to do one together real fast because I want you to understand that it's not all that difficult, but you want to just be able to follow the steps. The beautiful thing is, from the time you submit, typically it can be within 36 to 48 hours, you get back your first draft of the site, sometimes sooner. So let's take a look. I'm going to go ahead and try it myself. Dwayne at thervoffice.com, right? Dwayne Golden. And my phone number is going to be it's asking me to use the parentheses, 234-3357. Okay, so I got the first thing down. I'm going through the site. Now, what type of site? I'm just going to answer the question. Am I looking for a blog, a corporate website, or an e-commerce site where maybe I'm working with Amazon to sell products? I don't know what it is that you do. A portfolio, a brochure website. What are you looking to do? That's what you give them. So for me, I'm thinking of something more like a blog, right? I would love a blog that allows me the opportunity to submit a blog post a few times a month. Okay, simple stuff. Now I'm going on to the next one. And if there's any special documents I want to upload, I could do that here. So for some of you, it's like most things in life. The more specific you are, the more specific the designers or creators can be. So if you have things broken down to that outlines what kind of a site you're looking for. Like in my case, I would create a doc where I can upload exactly the steps that I want and the features that I want on that site. I would upload it right here. And if there's any images, I would upload them as well. The color coding, I would easily find out what color. If I like the colors blue and black, or if I like the colors red and yellow, whatever it may be, I can put it here. And if I don't know the hex, I can go out to Google and Google what are the color codes for my specific site that I like, and I would put it in there, okay? So it's not that difficult, but it's certainly something you want to try. And don't worry, if you even insert things wrong, support will get back to you and ask you to update your request if there's a needed. Now, if there's any videos and stuff you'd like to use on your site, right, you'd put that there also. And then let's go to the next page. Here in the next page, if you have your social media profile links, right, you want to put those there so they can actually attach those in your website so people can actually click away to your Instagram or your Facebook or whatever it may be that you have. The URL, which is www.yourwebsite.com, whatever it's going to be, you give them that here. And if you have access, right, they need, in order to upload, if you want our team to put the website up for you, you'll give them the access login details right here in the form. Lastly, if there's any additional information you have, you'd give them that. Then, boom, you come back and you have yourself a great, a website that you'll get a draft back. The same process for the logo, except it's a little more simple in that you just ask them for you give them the color coding and the concept of your design, and then they come back to you with it. And then there's the marketing funnel, which is, in most cases, it's a multiple of pages that people, once they subscribe into one section of it, they go to another page. They create all of that for you. You just complete the form. Now, when it comes to the downloadables, the social media pack, right? Which is posts that you can, designs that you can make. And they were created so they can be easily edited in Canva. And we'll show you how in the training. But if you already know how, you can download them and start using them now. Email templates the same way. If you use Constant Contact or some of these others, that give you the opportunity to have your email template. You get your email templates, you plug in. Then also, they give you already pre-created pages that you can easily edit and or give back to our team to design or edit the way you want it. And the same thing with landing pages. I'm going to let you take a look at what that would look like. I'm going to open up the, let's see, downloads. I just downloaded these. So I'm going to put my glasses back on so I can see with you. I want you to note that looking at the email templates, for example, there's different email templates that you can use that are already there. You can put your own text in, and when you put these in, you design it however you want. These email templates get to go into your email for your newsletter in your email system. There's different ones that we have available, and of course, they will always provide and give you more. If in fact you don't like some of these, you want to have some others done, our team don't mind as long as they're given an opportunity. If you look at the landing page templates, there's different examples of those as well. Let me go back and start looking at these. You can see jump the gun. If you look at the landing page, you'll see different types of landing pages. This is an example which has a slider in the middle of it. And another one, you see, you get to put whatever images you want or tell our team, and they put that in for you. There are a ton of these, and they come already pre-ready for you to fill in the information with your logo, which our team will create for you, and your text. Once you provide that, they put that in, or you could actually edit this yourself, and then you can go ahead and use the JavaScript and those types of things. Don't worry if you don't know how to do that. That's why we have a programming and development team for you. If you notice, it doesn't matter. Even if you have an educational site that you want created, our team works to ensure that you have the proper templates if you are someone who don't have your own fresh ideas for those websites. As we look at the social media packs, what type of post concepts you're given these, which are 100% customizable within Canva and or other systems. But the cool thing about it is, once you know what you want on them, you also have the ability to submit to us, and our programming team will gladly create and do these around your design if you don't know how to edit them yourselves inside of Canva, although we are teaching you. So there's a ton of different templates like that. My favorites are customs. I like to have things specifically done. I don't really like templates. However, many people in the industry, in the marketplace, love to use them. What I'd like to encourage you about is that you have a great opportunity to, first of all, you have an opportunity to have exactly what you want. If you don't know what you want, you can go look at the templates and then decide, and then upload those to show them what you're looking for. You can use it in a way to have your own custom products and designs created for you. So that's how you use this part. If you have any questions, don't hesitate. You can always access support by going right to your profile in the upper right corner by your name, and then drop down and then click on support and send in your question. We'll be glad to have someone get back with you relatively quickly. So that's it. That's how you use the product page. Take care.